Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to StoneBlock 2. Last episode we got the computer system, the AE2 Applied Energistics ME system going. So that is fantastic. So that is all up and running, guys, and we noticed a few of our items were stacking up here with way too many. And also some of my items, if I put them in the AE system, would come up in these two slots here. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe I changed a setting or something down in here, because I mean, maybe I changed something in here. I'm not sure. Configures partition based on currently stored items. I mean, I'll have to look into that later, but I've just locked them now, so nothing can go into them anyway. And we'll have to manually put stuff in there if we want to. But, guys, today we have a lot of legendary loot crates, epic ones, rare ones, uncommon ones, and common, and the clay ones. I mean, the clay ones are just stupid. We can just open these all at once and get a bunch of clay. But, so we'll put that into here. But I want to get these opened automatically, guys, because we don't want to stand there and open them all. We want to open them into a big crate, which I've just created, and then obviously thrown back in here for some reason. No, what did I do with it? Never mind, guys, I placed it down. It's just over here. So this is a medium storage crate. This thing goes on for, it's double what the small one is. So it takes up, it's got a lot of space in it. So basically we'll be able to go through the loot and choose what we want and put it in our system here. And maybe we'll get some cool weapons or armor or something, because I'm not sure what's in the loot tables, but we don't have any weapons. I've just been using iron because we don't really have to fight anyone just yet. There are challenges, if we have a look in here, that we will have to do. We have to fight the mighty Ender Chicken and the Chaos Chicken, which is just crazy. Anyways, guys, we got a lot of unclaimed rewards, so I'm going to do this first, and then we'll get on to opening all those loot bags. So let's get all these. We've got some speed upgrades, got some of that, a generator, don't really need that. Oh, resonant conversion kits, those will be handy. I will keep those. Another flux storage, that's very good. Redstone furnace, don't really need that, but we'll keep it anyway. What do we got here? More capacitors, which are always handy. And some epic bacon. Okay, very cool. Oh, there's also this down here we just did. Oh, another conversion kit. Those are actually really handy because they're quite annoying to make, to be honest. So we've got some fluid cows here. Because I didn't actually show you guys, but I got this as a reward. So I'm getting a reward for getting a reward. Ooh, spawner changer. That sounds good. I don't think there's anything else in here we need to do. No, that is all our stuff now. So we will chuck this all in here for now. We'll go put that on our power storage thing. Ender tank. Oh, those are going to be handy, actually. That. Okay. Right, guys. So we want to get these loot crates opened. So we need a mechanical user, I believe, which can, like, do player actions. Mechanical user. Mechanical user? This one. Okay, so we got these somewhere. We got to... wow, this is really easy. We can make this. Very simple. Oh, I should have clicked in here. That would have made my life a lot easier. Mechanical user. This one here. Okay, let's make a dropper. I love having that the system up. Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. We want the user. Let's make a lever. Very easy. And I'm not sure there's any of these in here, to be honest. Can we just create this? Hang on. Clicking the wrong ones again. No, we need those. They are somewhere. But where is the question, guys? It should be in one of these boxes somewhere. There is just random stuff around. There we go. Okay, let's put those in here. These seem... we got these from mining at the very beginning. We have not been back to the mining dimension since we went there in the first couple episodes, so that's crazy. Okay, mechanical user. I'm not sure if this needs power or not. I'm just going to place it down for now. Generic click. I don't know what that means. Place block. Use item on block. Activate. Okay, I think we just need use item. Right click. Yes. Random slot. No. We want upper left slot only. Okay. Always on. Speed upgrades. Okay, so we can just manually come in here. And, oh, we need a way to get the items out of there, actually. So let's get item conduits. We will need them. We got them right here. Okay, probably only need 2 of those. So we can do that. That will be good. We'll get the items out of here and into here. So we want to have a look at them before we... Oh, hang on. We want to make sure we don't extract the loot crates out of here. So hang on a second. Let me just make a filter because we're going to need that. So we can just manually come over here and put the loot crates in, because I don't want it to just go all the time. We'll just clear them out every now and then. So let's just grab some for now. We'll grab the rare ones. We'll grab a stack of those and we'll test those out. There's a lot of commons. Holy heck. Okay, we got to get on to this soon, which is good. That's why we're doing it now. Oh, we need a filter as well, guys. Hang on a second. Okay, guys, this is the filter. We're going to blacklist them so it makes sure it does not take them out. So we'll go and put that in filter upgrade. I guess we place it in there so it will not extract those. So if I put these in here, oh, it's working. There it goes, guys. It's opening these and all the stuff is going into... Okay, fantastic. So that should all be going in here and then we can check it out later on. We got fluid cow lava. Fantastic. Okay, guys, cool. Okay, guys, sound muffler is in, which is great. Now we're getting all this stuff in here. This is going to fill up very quickly, so we're going to have to come through and sort through this very quickly. What is slime, purple slimy dirt? I mean, it's pretty cool, but, you know, slime boots, those are quite good. What? This is 9 attack damage. What is this? 6. Okay. Let's take an emerald sword. Why not? That'll be fantastic for us for now. Now, we don't have any boots, so we might as well put some slime boots on, guys, and then we will not take any damage. We'll bounce around a bit if we jump off things, I think, but... Yeah, we do. We bounce around, but that's okay. Okay, fantastic. Now, guys, what else have we been doing? We've been getting some animals. So in here, we have some cows and some chickens. And I've been saving up... What on earth? Oh, I know what happened. I came over here and dumped a whole bunch of arrows. But this thing up here picked them up. I don't want that. I'm trying to save up eggs because we're going to get into the chickens soon enough, guys. So how can I get rid of these arrows? Let's... Well, let's just void them if I click on here. Oh, it does. Fantastic. Okay, good. That's how we get rid of those. Okay, right. Let's have a look in the menu here. Soon we're going to get into chickens. So we got all of these chickens here, and they just sit there pooping out whatever you want. So you want a redstone chicken? It poops out redstone. It's fantastic. You want glowstone? You get a glowstone chicken. You get all the way down here to get an awakened draconium chicken. So there's like ender pearls, there's everything you could want, and the chickens just poop it out. But you've got to breed them up in like these hen houses and stuff like that. So I'm not really grow a chicken. Okay. Yeah, there's heaps of stuff here we can do. So we will get into the chickens in a few episodes, maybe the next one. We'll see. I want to do a few more technical things today. So let's get on with that. I'm going to first put this basic Flux network, add that onto our storage over here. Can we place that up there? That should start filling up soon enough. Maybe one day. Oh, again, I got to add it to the network. It doesn't matter where you place these things. They're all wireless, but I just like having them all in the same place here. That filled up very quickly. Okay, let's carry on with the rest of the episode. Okay, guys, we are at the mob farm here. We're going to switch it off for now, so those lights should come on. Everything should stop spawning. Let's see if we can break in here. Everything's very silent because of the sound muffler, so even breaking blocks is quiet. Now, does this floor cause me damage? No, nothing bad. Okay, guys, we need wither skeleton heads. So what I'm going to do is basically turn this corner. If we just place it in this corner, I want to see if stuff will still spawn where it is, or if it doesn't spawn because it's got water. So let's quickly go and do this. I think, guys, that's going to stop the spawning. So if we have a look, nothing's going to spawn here, I don't think. No. Okay, it looks like nothing is spawning there. We need a way to push them into that before this thing kills them. And they die pretty damn quickly. So, I mean, we just got a couple of withers then. But we need the wither skeleton heads because eventually we're going to have to start killing withers and getting the nether stars because they're pretty important. We're going to need them. Whoa, bouncy shoes. Bouncy shoes. So we're getting wither dust. And eventually we'll get wither heads. Okay, it doesn't look like this stuff has anywhere to go. So sulfur, wither dust, and coal. Let's go and unlock those drawers. Oh, hang on. These bouncy boots are... Oh, I can't get off here. I'm stuck, guys. We're stuck in here. Oh, man. Okay, guys. This is not the most efficient thing, but it looks like things that are spawning very close to here are actually... Yeah, they are actually transforming into like wither skeletons and stuff. That's why we're getting wither dust or whatever this stuff's called. Yeah, wither dust and coal and things like that. So it is working. But we just need to see if we're going to get the wither skulls. They can go right here. I mean, these bottles of enchanting don't need to go here, really. Hang on. Give me it. Give me it. Get out of there, you freak. And then we'll lock that again. Hey. What? These are not actually coming through the system, are they? So I will just come back later and check in here to... Oh, necrotic bone. Okay, there's a new thing. We'll grab that. That can go in there. And hopefully we'll be getting wither skeleton heads as well. We only need a couple to start off with, but there we go. Okay, so... I'm going to keep checking that and making sure there is a place for everything. Also, we probably need to check up on this. No, this has still got a long way to go. This is all the random, non-stackable stuff that doesn't go into our system. That crate is amazing. That's awesome. Okay. Right, guys, what's up next? Alrighty, guys. So I decided to pick up my drive and things to get a few more of these because it didn't count them because I didn't make these first or something. I'm not sure why. I think I made these before I made that. And I think I made this before I made those, sorry, and it didn't come along and make it. But whatever, guys. I've picked these all up, and we've got the task now. And we just got something then, but I didn't notice. I want to go down here, guys, and get the auto crafting going on. So we need to figure these out. So first of all, we need to make a molecular assembler. So hopefully these things aren't too difficult to make. Molecular. There we go. So we're going to need more of these formation cores. I'm going to make a bunch of these and a bunch of these so I don't have to make them for a while. And we're going to need some quartz glass as well, which is reasonably easy. Okay, so I'm going to go crush some more of this stuff up. We need like a pulverizer that isn't hooked up to the system, which we did get one, didn't we? I think we got in a challenge or something. Didn't we get it? Pulverizer? No. But we can probably make another one really easily, and we've got some conversion kits now, so we could use was it like Inderium conversion kit or something like that? Oh, let's just type conversion kit. There we go, resonant conversion kit. So we could get one of those up and running. That would be really good for us. That would make life easy. Over here, just have it set up because that one over there, well, that one over there is part of the system, and we can't keep using that. So we need that to get the crushed Certus quartz stuff, but we've got some here, so we can make some quartz glass. We've already got some by the looks of it, but we need to make some more. Quartz glass. Come on, friend, where are you? There we go. Let's make, that's just 16. Okay, that's pretty much all we have. Yeah, we need to make some more of that stuff. Where did these come from? Did we just get these? Wow, we just got these as the reward just before. How did I not notice that? Oh, wow. Okay, that's great. What do we need to combine those as well? So 64K. We want to make one of these, but we need to combine them with just one of these. So do we have any of these? Let's just make one of those. Oh, we need 4. Okay. Guys, this is amazing. That is fantastic. Let's take out 4 of these. Not the ones with items in. Let's leave those in. Those 2 don't have items. That one doesn't. We'll put those up there. And let's put the 64 ones in here. 64K, guys. We can hold so many items. It can only be 63 different types, but we can hold like 65,000 of each of those types. So we can hold a lot of stuff now, guys. That is amazing. I'm going to put the rest of these back in here until we get another drive. Okay, we've got storage for days now, guys. We can just get all of this stuff and we can just chuck it on in here. That's fantastic. Okay, well, I didn't even notice that happened, but what were we making again, guys? Molecular assemblers. That's what we were going for. Okay, I'm going to get a bunch of this stuff together so it's easier to craft this stuff. And after that, we need like a 1K, one of these things. We need to make this next. So we need that, and we need the crafting unit. So yeah, we're going to need a bunch more of these and cables and things like that. Okay, let me get a bunch of this stuff together, and we'll make our life easier. Alright guys, we made the molecular assembler. Now we need to make one of these again for the challenge to register. One of these, we should be able to get that. Okay, cool. We got those, both of those. Let's get the rewards for all of these. So we got another Invar hammer, which is rubbish because we don't need that anymore. Phantom face. What on earth is that? And exchanging gadget. I mean, we don't need that because we're not playing on a server. I presume that's for like trading with people or something. I don't know. Let's just put it away for now. Phantom face. I do not know what that is, but that sounds awesome. I'm going to leave that in here for now. Let's put that away. Okay, we have this. I think we need the co-processing unit as well. Let's look in the challenges. So we need a co-processing unit and crafting monitor. So that the crafting monitor shows you what it's crafting. So I don't think you need that per se. But let's make the crafting co-processor. So let's have a look. If we just type processor, this one here. What is this made of? That and that. Oh, okay, cool. Well, we've got that as well then. Okay, I cannot remember how these all go together, guys, but we need to get these ME cables. They're just called cables. Yes, okay, we got enough here. Let's get these. And let's bounce all around the place because of our awesome boots. Also, guys, this is upgraded to resonant, and it is super fast, and I've filled it up with 4 of these as well, so this thing just goes nuts. Where are we going to put all these? Okay, so guys, this is going to be set out much better, but for now, I'm just going to place it here. I think we put this in, then we put this in, so those go together, and then we can stick this on it, like this. And then I think, oh no guys, I can't remember how to make this system. I'm gonna have to try and remind myself using trusty Google. Alrighty guys, I am remembering bits and pieces of this. I have had a bit of a Google and a bit of a YouTube, but as we've got here guys, these can, if these craft together to make a multi-block structure. Now you can put as many of these together as you want, as long as they stay in a rectangle shape. So if I grab something like this and put it right at this block space here, it'll break the whole thing. And it just will not work. Anyways, guys, this is a 1K crafting storage. Wait, no, I made a 4K. I will tell you guys, I made a 4K crafting storage. I tell you now, 4K. Yes, I did. I just didn't put it in. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, let's take that out and see. It will look like this when it's broken and doesn't work. So none of these are attached to make any sense until we put that crafting storage in there. Right. So, guys. We have a 4K crafting storage, and then we have co-processing units, which every single one of these means you can use another one of these molecular assemblers, which can craft things, and they're attached in here to an Emmy interface. So in this Emmy interface, we can put a pattern in here that tells it exactly how to make a certain thing. So we've made an Emmy pattern terminal here. You make some blank patterns, you put them in here. I've put this iron in here to tell it that this iron makes an iron block. Now we encode the pattern here. And then we can go into, we can go into here. We put this pattern in here like this. And now this molecular assembler here knows how to make iron blocks. So we can come in here now and we can type in iron blocks. Now we've already got 7, so I'm just going to take that out. And now that we've done that crafting thing, there's a craft thing here. So we can click craft. And also if you do have these in here like this, you can middle mouse button click and bring this up anyway. So let's say I wanted to craft about 30. We'd click next. This would come up, tell you how much iron it's going to use. And it's going to use 354 bytes, which is okay because we have a 4K crafting storage over here. So yes, that's all going to work just fine. It says we've got enough iron and we've got enough bytes now. Let's cancel that and craft this and just say we wanted to make 5,000. We don't have enough iron, so that just wouldn't work. And there's no CPUs that would be able to take that many bytes because we only have a 4K, which is some smaller number than this anyway. So let's just craft 20, 30, there we go, and we'll click start. And on this screen here, it'll show you what it's making. And over here, you can see them actually being made inside these things. I hope you saw that. That was pretty quick, actually. Let's turn all this iron back. Hey, what are you doing in here? Let's turn all this iron back into ingots and put them back in the system. Then we'll craft. Let's just craft 100 this time, so we have more time to see it. And you can see these guys over here are all crafting it. And if we didn't have all those co-processing units, we wouldn't be allowed to use all of these. If we had no co-processing units, it would only interact with one of these and craft them. But since we can use all of them, it crafts them a lot quicker. So, there we go guys, 100 blocks of iron, which is handy. And we've still got a lot of iron here. So, yeah, that's it guys. That is how this all works. And I'm really happy with this now. Now guys, currently we can reach into here and put the patterns in here. But I do not know, because you can put one of these molecular assemblers on every side of this thing and attach these cables to any part of them as long as it's attached, if they're all touching each other. So the only problem is that you wouldn't be able to click on this to put these in here. Now there is a screen. I don't know what it's called though, and I can't find it. I'm guessing it's one of these screens down here, but I don't really know which one. One of them that's it, so we can look at all of the different things. Like say we have 50 of these Emmy interfaces. We won't know which one we're putting it in, or some of the interfaces will be plugged into like a machine around here or something, and we won't know what we're putting it into. So sometimes we won't be able to click on them either because they'll be hidden. So we want a screen, but I've forgotten what it's called, but we can click on the screen. It'll have all the names of all of the machines and interfaces that we can connect to. And that's really handy because you can put all the patterns in there. Now let's just say, let's attach our pulverizer here, guys. We're gonna have to push this on here, and we're going, oh, we need to make another one of these. Hang on a second. We're stuck in a hole again. Oh no, we're really stuck in a hole. Okay guys, I was having trouble here, but it's because I have to make the machine accept stuff on the side that I'm placing this interface. So the interface goes here, right next to this, and we put in a cable here. Okay, cool. We have an interface attached to our pulverizer now. So what we can do is come in here, and Certus Quartz is what we want. Oh, we need to put the pattern back in. Let's put this Certus Quartz pattern into the patterns thing here. Then we should be able to come in here. It's making some because I had already scheduled a job. Let's cancel that. Okay, right. Let's have a quick look in here. So you can see that it is working. It should finish up anytime soon. Okay, 59 is how many's in there. Let's just say we want to make 20. Let's go like that. And then the CPU is crafting 20. You can see it counting down. And if we come around to here, you'll see that it's gone in here and it's making it and returning it to the system. So there you go, guys. That's both types of crafting. We've got the normal crafting, and we've got it also making things like that. Also, you can make multiple steps. So I'll show you that in just a second. Okay guys, we now have a pattern in here for the quartz glass. Now, I did mess it up and put the wrong type of glass and the wrong type of Certus quartz in there, so it wanted very specific things. Anyways guys, let's just go ahead and craft this. I've taken all of this Certus quartz out of here. I'm going to leave the glass in here. It's taken all of the Certus quartz dust out of here, so it needs that in order to make this, but it already has a recipe for the dust. So when I click this, it's going to know that it needs to turn this into these to craft this. So what it's going to do is, first of all, it's going to try craft the glass, but in here, it's going to throw this in, make the dust, and then it will craft it over here, and then we'll get it in the system. So there we go, we got 4, fantastic. So you can do multi-level crafting, like if there isn't any quartz dust in there, but it knows how to make it, it will make it as well. So it can take quite a while to get everything done like that. Okay, cool. Well, guys, that is the basic setup for crafting. That's fantastic. Let's take a check in here. See if we can get any more rewards. Climbing gloves, don't really need those anymore. And another hammer. That's pretty lame. But guys, that is all the time we have in today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. And just quickly, guys, I figured out what terminal it was. It's the Emmy Interface terminal, and this one here makes us look, we can look at all of our interfaces and put the different patterns in the different ones that we want. So when we have like hundreds of these things, we'll be able to scroll through here and find the ones we want. And we can name them all different things as well, so we know which is which.